The ToolPRO 47-piece wheel puller set is a versatile solution for removing steering wheels, harmonic balancers, drive gears, and more. In the sturdy blow mould case, you'll find an assortment of bolts in various thread pitches and sizes. Central to this is the yoke and pressure screw with shaft centering adapters and assorted spacing washers. This tool can be used wherever there are threaded holes in the part to be removed. In the case of this steering wheel, just find the bolts which match the thread pattern of these holes. Choose bolts as short as possible. This ensures the yoke remains steady as it pulls. Before the next step, use an impact wrench or ratchet to free the center nut which secures the steering wheel. Marking the point where the steering wheel and spline meet will help with realignment. Now, select a suitable shaft centering adapter for the job. Wind the pressure screw through the middle of the yoke and attach the shaft centering adapter to the end. Then place some washers on the bolts and pass them through the yoke, threading them into the holes at the center of the wheel. Once the pressure screw contacts the center of the steering shaft, use a ratchet to tighten the pressure screw. You should feel the wheel begin to move and eventually it will come free. Use your wheel puller kit in the same manner across a variety of wheels, pulleys and gears and make these jobs a breeze.